conclusion, and we will have that map that you want soon.
Kynhun Myntri Gajala kalab Mynjur ban Wanrah Jingpynkylla hakabaya day bad Kynhun building bylaws arajar arpaway dakaba penkiu ya kachingkentup lengkot kendau nakasan po sya kan 100% ha secretariat hill bad European ward u Myntri rangba Gajala u konrat ke sangma ula ong ba kani Kynhun katmu ban penbha ya kachingpendan kam jaka haki public lani semi public bad kisun ba pendan kam lang dakaba penbet Renti lang bat gijing tei bakong san lembat ki projek kam jingok kai perthei kum kaching penbha ya kanan polong hakawei kaliang ka Kynhun Myntri kala Mynjur ban thiet ya henriu na ka khatway point nyau san akar kachaka ka badon kam na ka benta ban penhe ya kalinti ya leng suin jangkakat leng suin shilong Myntri rangba ula pentep ru ba saw point lai akar kachaka ka dei jangkatanat kam yadari katba ka badangsa an sa shim na ki nong shong shnong jangkathan na luar ka nyau po ar point iwe nyau klutingka kum ka song bai lut san ka bala penbed ka ba kentup ya ki jaka puta yeng mala ki dieng bat ki marem.
We expect that the entire process of all the environmental issues, other permissions, other local issues, local permissions, central permissions, we expect maybe anytime within the next month to maximum 3 months time. I hope that we should be able to clear it. We are working very, very hard on it. Once that is done, and the entire clearance has been given to Airport Authority of India. Airport Authority will take exactly 18 months to construct and expand the new runway, which means we are hoping that if we are able to hand over everything by September of this year, we expect that by March 2027, the expansion of the runway will be complete, which will then further allow us to land the larger aircrafts in Shillong. More importantly, also the expansion and the new work for the Shillong Airport includes not just the expansion of the runway, but also the expansion of the terminal itself.
Myntri katanat kam jungok kai perthei uba poling